Happy Thursday from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have beautiful, warm 22 degrees morning here. Video about the weather, so I'll show you the weather. Still a little bit kalima, but absolutely no problem. Beautiful sky. Expecting 24-5 degrees today. The temperature of the ocean is 22.1 today. Slowly getting down, but it's very comfortable for swimming still. We are meeting a good man, Miguel. Always having something for El Niño. Muchas gracias, Miguel. And Christmas is coming, so they are changing flowers for Christmas, making everything beautiful here. Gracias, chicos, bonito. Playa de San Telmo. The ocean looks very quiet, but there's but from time to time we have waves, so really be careful. Okay, have some great respect for the ocean here. So best wishes. Have a lovely Thursday. All the best from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
¿Se les abre?